Okay, next what you'll want to do is prepare these to be sewn together. Um, so uh, if let's see, what order do we want to do these in? I actually kind of think it would be cool to do this red one first. I think I want to space out the patterns, so let's just do that. And generally, this is just kind of a silly thing. Um, but I guess it'll be close to it anyway. But um, yeah, I generally try to distance greens and reds, but they'll wind up being close on the other. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Um, let's see. Uh, come to think of it, I actually think I want this blue to be my main, like, four color thing. Okay, so yeah, that'll be fine. Anyway, so yeah, now that you kind of, um, how you can plan this out is, you look here and you kind of follow this guide. So you're gonna make you're gonna take four of these at a time. So this red is gonna be in the middle here. So um here's your red, and then yellow. I'll put here, and then well, in this case I'm doing blue, and or green, and then blue. Cool. No, don't do that, dude. Okay. So for this next one, we're going to start here. So we're going to do yellow first, and then we're going to do, well, in our case, we're going to do green for this particular quilt, and then we're going to do blue. So now this starts to become a little bit important, this part, because uh, you see this red here, this is where the pattern starts to repeat. And the reason this is important is because if you wanted to, you could make this a different color, you could make it a pattern, you could make it something different. Um, but that is, but that being said, if that is something you'll want to do, you'll need to account for that in what strips of fabric you're using. So if you are repeating them, then you'll see one red, two red, three red, four red, one, two, three, four yellow. See how these are where your four strips come from. But if you start changing the repetition, then you're going to need a different, number of fabrics. And for each little, diamond in or each little diamond you see in a block here, you're gonna wind up needing one strip of that color pattern fabric. No trick, stop this. Stop. Um, so anyway, that was kind of a long-winded explanation of saying if you wanted to start changing the pattern here, you can. But just keep in mind planning out your fabrics beforehand, yada yada. So, yeah. In this particular case, I'm going to keep it simple. So I'm going to repeat, and that's my red. And so now, in our quilt for this one, we're going to start on our green, then blue, then red, then yellow, and then lastly, oops, I grabbed the wrong thing. Sorry. Blue, is that? Yeah, okay. Wait. Um, yeah, okay, okay, sorry. So blue, red, yeah, yellow, and then green, the last one here. Cool. Okay. So, I'm going to stop this video here now. We have got our sets, and in the next video I'll explain what we do with our sets.